Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb in this area in a Volkswagen Lupo. So the light bulb is situated exactly beneath this, so this needs to be pulled out. The problem is that by hand you cannot pull it out, so you need a cloth to put on top of it, and with this you pull it out, but through a cloth, because if not you will scratch it badly and I don't think you want that. So let's get to it. Just wanted to add, not sure if it's required, but just for good measure have this in the 0 position. And yeah, this tutorial also works for MK4 Volkswagen Golf and for some Polos. Okay, I do not know if I can also film and pull this out, but I sure as hell going to attempt at least. If I cannot, I will stop filming, but this is what you need to do. Yeah, it worked. So we have the little bulb right there in the middle, and that also needs to be taken out with some needle nose pliers. So let me get those. I am going to use something like this to get it out, but again I'm going to wrap it in that cloth. You can also wrap it in insulation tape if you want. I prefer cloth. In the end I went with this insulation tape because I couldn't get the cloth right in there. So yeah, do not squish on it too much because you will break it. Let me just see what bulb it is and tell you next. Okay, so this is the bulb. It's a 12 volt 1.2 watts, and I found it online if I'm searching for 0S12, weirdly enough, but it's found also under standard HVAC bulb. So yeah, but better to take it to the shop where we are buying it from and see it like that. Okay, we have a new bulb here. Let's plug it in. Push it in there, and should be all good now. So let's turn it on, and it's all good. Now for this thing you simply push it back in place in about the same position that you took it out from, and it's locked. And now we have light in here, which is exactly what we wanted. So that's it for this video. Hope this helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye.